Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Raymore Reviews. So yes, we are on Trafalgar Road. We're doing a drive from Trafalgar Road to Half a Tree. So that's what we're doing today. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. And if you're still seeing that subscribe button red, it means you haven't subscribed yet. So subscribe, support the channel, be a part of the Raymore Reviews family, so you can see more driving videos like this and more reviews of new developments, new construction, new hotels and the whole like. So stay tuned, subscribe for more. Remember to like, remember to leave a comment, and definitely share the video as well so that more persons can see. So Trafalgar Road, we're gonna take the Ruthven Road option to head into Half a Tree. So we have some midday traffic right now. So stay tuned while we go on Ruthven Road. Alright, so in front of me is the Ruthven Towers, currently under construction. I did a previous video on it, a walk-in video. I'll link that in the comments just to show you guys some more details. So this is the Ruthven Towers, currently being developed. Let me see if I can show you guys from a different angle. Alright, so I recently did a video about 2 to 3 weeks ago, so I won't do another in-depth video on the Ruthven Towers. I'll probably give it another month or another 2 months before I do another walk-in review. But there we can see they're progressing smoothly when it comes to the color, in terms of painting of the exterior, windows, balcony. So we see work is going on steadily on the Ruthven Towers. Based on research, it's supposed to be 4 clusters, 4 different towers. This is tower number 1, so it's supposed to eventually be 4 of these. So Ruthven Towers, New Kingston, new development, new apartment. We're just taking a stop to show you guys, while we drive from Trafalgar Road into Half a Tree. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to leave your comments both on the drive and the development. And thanks for supporting the channel. Remember to share, remember to like, and remember to leave a comment. So we're now on Westminster Road. as we head into half a tree. Companies on the road such as Burra Standard, Alright, so we're just outside of the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority. Burra Standard is also on the right. So we're heading into half a tree. Alright, so we have the Winchester Business Center on the left. A very big, could call it a plaza slash mall. Good amount of shops over there. Let's drive through it, show you guys around. It has been was built a couple of years ago, but it's a very central business center for a lot of corporate businesses, like insurance company, medical laboratories, stationery, pharmacy. So a lot of those type of businesses. So I think this red car is braking the one way, because this is a one way. But you know, one of those things. So this is the Winchester Business Center. Alright, so let's just drive through the business center, then we head back on our route into half a tree. Alright, so Winchester Business Center. Alright, so we're now in Halfway Tree. So just wanted to take you guys on a different route into Halfway Tree. And as usual, guys, remember to leave your comments. Remember to like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and definitely share the video. So thanks for watching another driving video, and stay tuned for a lot more.